Alright, we're given that the perimeter of a rectangle is 78 centimeters, and that the length is 11 centimeters, and we're being asked to find the width. First of all, real quick, what is the perimeter? The perimeter is the distance all the way around a rectangle. One way of thinking about it is if you start on this corner and you travel all the way around this rectangle, what is the distance it would take to get all the way back to this beginning place, or your starting point? And the idea is this. So if you had your perimeter would be, well, this is one length right here, then plus this width right here, and then plus this, which is the same by definition of a rectangle, must be the same as this length over here, so plus another length, and then finally this strip right here, which is another width. This can be summarized by combining like terms to say that the perimeter is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. And all we need to do in this situation is input the information that we're given here about 78 centimeters being the total perimeter and then 11 centimeters being the length. So we'll take this formula, replace the P with the 78, and replace the length with 11. And then we still have this 2 times whatever the width is. We don't know what the width, so the width is the only variable that still exists. Just going to clean this up a little bit by multiplying the 2 times 11 to get 22 plus 2W, and that equals that total perimeter of 78. So the first part of this question is asking for an equation that can be solved. This would be that equation right here. Again, the perimeter equaling 2 times the length, actually multiplying that length by 2, and then 2 times the width. Now we just need to solve this. We're going to solve this for W, which will be our width. To do this, I'm going to first subtract 22 from both sides of the equation. That would give me over here that I get 56, and then here that 22, that's why I subtract the 22, it cancels it out. I'm just left with 2W. Finally, now we know that twice the width, or 2 times the width, is 56. We solve for W by dividing both sides by 2, and we get that the width is 28, and we got to make sure we use our units here. We have centimeters in this case. If you cared, what you could do is always check this out. You could say we know that we were given that this is 11 centimeters right here as a length. We think we have correctly that the width is 28 centimeters, and just add these up. 11 plus 28 plus another 11 plus another 28. If that equals 78, we've accomplished the task at hand.